Good morning, students. Welcome to our new class of Design and Technology. Today we are going to continue on our chapter Geometrical Construction, and we'll be drawing shapes accurately using the geometrical instruments we have seen last week. So we are going to draw angles accurately using geometrical instruments. So an angle is the shape between two intersecting lines or surfaces at the point where they meet. For example, when two lines intersect, there are angles which are formed between them. So in this shape, for example, there are four angles which are formed by the lines which intersect together. So when two surfaces join, it also makes an angle between them. Okay, so these angles can be measured using geometrical instrument which is called a protractor. Okay, this is a protractor. Okay, you have one in your compass box. So if the rotation continues when talking about angles in a circle, a full circle, we have 360 degrees. Okay, for example, from 0 to 1/4 of the circle, it makes 90 degrees. Another quarter will make 180 degrees. It continues like that to form a 360 degrees, which is a full circle. Okay, so what are the types of angles we have? So acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So all angles which measures less than 90 degrees are called acute angles. Okay, for example, 30 degrees is an acute angle. 45 degrees is an acute angle. 89 degrees is an acute angle. Okay, then as for an angle making 90 degrees is called a right angle. Okay, an angle more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. For example, 175 degrees is an obtuse angle. 101 degrees is an obtuse angle. 91 degrees is an obtuse angle. A straight angle uh, is exactly 180 degrees. Okay, so a straight line makes 180 degrees called a straight angle. Then there are reflex angles. So it is an angle greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. For example, 200 degrees is a reflex angle. 270 degrees is a reflex angle. 330 degrees is a reflex angle. And a full angle is exactly of 360 degrees. So a whole circle is called a full angle. So these are 6 types of angles you should be able to name and recognize. So, for example, let us see some examples of shapes we can draw accurately using geometrical instruments. We have 4 examples of geometrical shapes with angles and dimension given. So let us see the first question. So let us analyze the question. So the question says, use geometrical instrument to construct accurately triangle ABC, taking line AB to be 60 millimeters. So there's a triangle A, B, C, okay, with line AB, so line AB is 60 millimeters. Okay, then at angle B, it forms an angle of 50 degrees. At angle A, it forms an angle of 35 degrees. So let us construct this shape accurately. So first of all, since I have as first information line AB 60 millimeters, so with my ruler I can measure from 0 here. Okay, make sure to start from 0. Donc I can measure 60 millimeters. So 10 millimeters, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 millimeters is here. So I can draw a line of 60 millimeters. And this is my line A, B. Okay? Then, with my protractor, at angle A, it is 35 degrees. So with my protractor, I put the center on A, and the line here is aligned with my line AB. So I can measure here from 0, 10, 20, 30. So I can 31, 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees. So 35 degrees is here. Okay, I can draw a line. Okay, starting from A and passing through the point I got. Then at point B here is an angle of makes an angle of 50 degrees. So at point B, put my protractor on point B. Okay, make sure that the line is exactly on at horizontal position, sorry. So from 0 here, I count 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees is here. Okay, 50 degrees. So I can make a line from B to the point I got here. So my point C is here. Okay, I can erase the line which is not necessary, or I can put the essential lines darker. So this is the shape given here, which was not to scale. I have drawn it accurately using the geometrical instrument. So I can even measure this angle. For example, I put my protractor on the point here, aligned with one of the lines. Okay, so from 0 I count, so 90 degrees, 90, 95 degrees. So I can count 95 degrees. So this angle here is 95 degrees. So this is how to draw accurately a shape using geometrical instrument. So the same principles can be applied to draw this shape. It's another triangle. So the question says, use geometrical instrument to construct accurate triangle XYZ, taking line XY to be 75 millimeters. So we have a triangle XYZ, okay, and line XY, the line XY is 75 millimeters. So this line measures 75 millimeters. Okay, angle X here makes an angle of 55 degrees, and angle Y makes an angle of 65 degrees. Okay, so let us construct this shape. So first of all, as the first information I got is XY to be 75 millimeters. So I draw a line, okay, from 0, okay, donc 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 75 millimeters is here, okay, 75 millimeters. I draw a line. Okay, so this is my line X, Y, which is of 75 millimeters. So now I construct angle 55 degrees at point X. So with my protractor, I put it on point X. Okay, perfectly aligned with my line here. So from 0 here, 0 is here. Okay, 0. I count 55. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 55 is here. So I put a remark here, a point here. I can draw a line with my ruler or the protractor itself. So I draw a line. So this makes an angle of 55 degrees. So at point Y now, it's 65 degrees. So starting from point Y, here, I can count from 0 here to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's make 55 degrees. So then I can, with my ruler, from point Y, I draw a line, and this is my triangle. So this is point Z. So there you are. Okay, so this is how to use a geometrical instrument to draw appropriate shapes. Okay. So here is another shape. Okay, it's a quadrilateral. So the question says, use geometrical instrument to construct accurately shape ABCD. So you have a shape A, B, C, D. It makes a quadrilateral. Taking lines AB, so line AB here is 67 millimeters. So this line measures 67 millimeters. Line BC, okay, the BC measures 52 millimeters. Line AD, okay, here measures 47 millimeters. So we have 3 dimensions of lines. Then we have angle B, 120 millimeters, and angle A, 100 millimeters. Okay, this is the first part. So let us draw the shape accurately. So first of all, I can draw the line AB, which is 67 millimeters. So with my ruler, I can measure from 0 to 60, it makes 60 millimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have a line AB, which is of 67 millimeters. Okay, then I can start to make the angles. So angle A is 100 millimeters. So from A, here, I can measure from 0 to 100. Okay, I can have a line here. Okay, from angle B, 120 millimeters. So 120 millimeters. So from 0 here, I can get 120 here. I can have a line. Okay, then with my ruler, I can transfer this information onto my drawing. So BC, so line BC, this is line BC, is 52 millimeters. So I can measure here. So from 0, 52 is here. So it is here. It is 52 millimeters. Okay. Line AC, sorry, AD. So this is line C, sorry, point C. and line AD, point D here, AD is 47 millimeters. So I measure 47 millimeters. So from 0 to 45, 6, 7. 47 is here. So this is point D. So from point D to point C, I can draw a line. So this is my shape drawn accurately. Okay, and the question continues here. Measure and state angle at C. So measure and state angle at C. So what is this angle? So I can use my protractor. I put the center on the point C. Okay, the center point C here. And from 0, I can count. It makes 61, 2, so 62 degrees. So this angle is 62 degrees. Okay, I can measure here also from point D. Okay, so put the center of the protractor on D. So starting from 0, I can count. It makes 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 75, 6, 7, 8. So 78. So this angle is 78 degrees. Okay, so this is another shape drawn accurately using geometrical instruments. So let us see another shape which can be drawn accurately using geometrical instruments. So we have a shape here. This time it's a more complex shape. It has 5 sides, so it is an irregular pentagon with distance point A, B, C, D and E. Angle at A is 112 degrees. Angle at B, this square means that this angle is at 90 degrees, at right angle. It is a symbol which means it is 90 degrees. At C, angle is 135 degrees. And at D, 123 degrees. So we don't know angle at E. Okay? So the length of A, so let us read the question. Use geometrical instrument to construct accurately shape ABCDE, taking line AB to be 47 millimeters. So from point A to point B, it is 47 millimeters. Line BC is 44 millimeters. So this line measures 44 millimeters. And line CD is 30 millimeters. Line CD is 30 millimeters. So we know the length of AB, BC and CD. So let us construct this shape accurately. So first of all, we draw a line AB, so starting from 0 here. Okay, so line AB is 47, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47 is here. So this is line AB. Okay, so from point A here is 112 degrees. So I put my protractor here. Okay, so counting from 0 here, so 90 degrees, 100, 110, 110, 11, 12 is here. Okay, so I have 112 degrees. So at B it is 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees is here, so I put a point here. Okay, then I can draw my lines. So make it a faint line
here, and here. Okay, so I have 90 degrees here, 112 here. So now I can measure line BC. BC is 44 millimeters. So 44 millimeters. So 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 44 millimeters is here. So I have point C here. And point E is here. Okay? Sorry. This is not point E. Okay, so now at point C, I can construct an angle of 135 degrees. So, putting my protractor on C, making sure the line is perfectly aligned with the line BC. So 135, so I have 100 here, 120, 30, 35 is here. Okay, so I can draw a line from C here. Okay, so line CD is 30 millimeters, so I can measure 30 millimeters here. Okay, so this is point D. Okay, so I have CD, can put it dark, it's an outline here. Then, so this line also is a dark line. Okay, so then from D, I can construct an angle of 123 degrees. So 123 degrees, so starting from D, so 0, 120, 21 to 3. Okay, so this is my angle, so I can draw a line here. It's a coincidence that it is joins the line automatically. So this is my shape. My point E is here, so I have my shape drawn accurately.